Hello everyone, this is another video. We had discussed differential equation in this mathematical physics series. Today we're going to discuss another important topic that comes in mathematical physics, that is your Laplace transform. Okay, it's a very important topic, Laplace transform. Yeah. It's a very formula based chapter. Okay, but still we'll try to solve questions. So Laplace transform of f of t is written as f of s. Okay, capital F s, that is 0 to infinity e to the minus st f of t dt. Yeah? E to the minus st f of t dt. Okay, so this is your Laplace transform formula. Right. So important formulas we will write some important formula. So Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s. Laplace transform of t to the power n is n factorial s to the power n plus 1. Okay. Laplace transform of e to the power at is e to the power at is 1 by s minus a. Okay. Laplace transform of e to the power at is 1 minus 1 by s minus a. Laplace transform of cos h at is s by s square minus a square. Okay. Laplace transform of sin h at is a by s square minus a square. Laplace of sin at will be there, but there it will be plus here. When this is normal trigonometric function, the it will be plus. The Laplace of cos at will be s by s square plus a square. Yeah, is that all right? Yeah. These are some of the formulas that will be used. Okay. Just one example. Laplace of 1 plus sine 2t. Laplace of 1 plus Laplace of sine 2t. Wait. Laplace of 1 is 1 by s plus sine 2t is how much? Laplace of sine at is a by s square plus a square. Laplace of cos at is s by s square plus a square. Okay. So 2 by s square plus 4. Now we'll study some properties. These are the basic formulas. Properties of Laplace transform, from where questions come usually. Properties of Laplace transform. Properties of Laplace transform. Okay. So if L of f of t is equal to f of s, then L of f of at is equal to 1 by a f of s by a. Okay. This f means Laplace of s by a. Yeah, alright. It will be only divided. Okay. So let's see an example. Example question number 1. If this is called what? This is called change of scale property. Change of scale property. Change of scale property. Then if Laplace of j naught root t is e to the power minus 1 by 4s by s, then find Laplace of j naught 2 root t. Okay, so what will you do? Just simply divide it, isn't it? So we know Laplace of f of at is 1 by a Laplace of s by e. Okay, so Laplace of j naught root j naught 2 root t. We can also write it as Laplace of j naught root over 4t. Yeah. So if I use this one will be divided, isn't it? One that is inside 1 by 4 e to the power s by a. This will be s by a. So e to the power minus 4 s by a. A is your 4. S by 4 will divided by s by 4. Yeah. Is that right? So this becomes 4 by cancel. So e to the power minus 1 by s by s. Okay, e to the power minus 1 by s by s. That will be the answer. I hope you understood this question. Yeah. Just I have to use this thing. Next is number 2 is first shifting theorem. First shifting theorem. First shifting theorem. If L of f of t is f of s, then L of e to the power 8t f of t f of s minus a. Yeah, just if e to the power 80 is multiplied, that will be f of s minus a. Okay, alright. So we know L of t to the power n is how much? N factorial s to the power n plus 1. So it's if it is e to the power 80 t to the power n, then it will be what? F of s minus a. So the n factorial will be there, but in place of s, that will be s minus a. Plus 1. Got it? Yeah. So if I use it everywhere, L of e to the power sine 80, sorry, uh, sine bt, suppose. So it would have been what is the Laplace of sine bt? B by s square plus b square. So L of e to the power 80 sine bt will be b by s minus a square plus b square. Yeah. Now L of e to the power 80 cos bt will be s minus a whole square plus b square. Yeah. Now L of e to the power 80 sin h 80. Sorry, sin h bt. So b by s minus a whole square minus, because it's hyperbolic, it will be minus b square. Okay. Laplace of e to the power 80 cos h bt. So that would have been s minus a by s minus a whole square minus b square. Minus why minus? Because of hyperbolic function. So these are the formulas. I hope you understood. Instead of memorizing, just use the concept. If e to the power 80 is multiplied, we will just subtract a from s. Only S, nothing else. Only S. Okay. Next question. So next heading. Next heading is Heaviside's shifting theorem. Heaviside's shifting theorem. Again, if L of f of t is f of s, hmm, g of t is f of t minus a for t greater than 0 and 0 for 0 less than t less than a. Okay. So L of Laplace of g of t will be how much? E to the minus a t. Sorry, e to the minus a is f of s. E to the minus a is f of s. If I subtract a from t of the f of t function, then I have to do this. It's kind of the opposite of this, isn't it? If I'm multiplying e to the power at, I'm subtracting a from s. Here exactly, if a is subtracted from t, I'm multiplying minus a with it. So it's like the same thing, isn't it? If we do an example question number 2, I think. Laplace of cos square t. Laplace of cos square t. So we know cos 2t is what? 2 cos square t minus 1. So cos square t is what? 1 plus cos 2t by 2. Yeah? Cos square t is 1 plus cos 2t by 2. So Laplace of cos square t, Laplace of 1 by 2, take it out. Laplace of 1 plus cos 2t. Yeah. Hmm. So half Laplace of 1 plus Laplace of cos 2t. Half 1 by s plus cos 2t. S by s square plus 4. Okay. Is that right? Yeah, is that right? Yeah. Okay, now do the question. This is the cos 2t. Now, question number 3. Question number 3. L of cos square t, just calculated, that was a square plus 2 divided by a whole into a square plus 4. So what will be the Laplace of cos square at? Okay. So if we know if a is multiplied with t, what will you do? We'll divide a with s, right? Because L of f of at, we do what? 1 by a f of s by a, right? So Laplace of s by a. So what will you do? 1 by a, huh? Laplace of cos square at is this much. So s by a whole square plus 2 s by a plus s by a square plus 4. Is that alright? So if I simplify 1 by a square plus a square plus 2 s by a square plus a square plus 4. So 1 by a square plus 2a square by a square s by a square plus 4a square by a square. Square square gone, a cancel. 1 by a square plus 2a square A square plus 4a square. Yeah, that sounds it. Got it? I just have to divide a on s. Number 4. Laplace of t to the power minus half. Okay? Plus of t to the minus half. So Laplace of t to the power n is what? N factorial by t to the power n plus 1. We know n factorial is what? Gamma of n plus 1. Gamma of n plus 1 is actually n factorial. Okay? Gamma function. So, sorry, this is s. Sorry, my bad. S1 plus 1. I think I've done a mistake before also somewhere. I've written it as t. No, I've written as, yeah, correct. So written plus 1. So gamma of power is now minus half. So minus half plus 1. S to the power minus half plus 1. So gamma 1 minus half is half divided by s to the power half. So that would be gamma of half would be what? Root pi. We know gamma of half is root pi. And this is your root s. So the answer is root over 5s. Very simple. Okay. Yeah. Question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5 is Laplace of 2 sin 2t cos 4t. Laplace of 2 sin 2t cos 4t. Yeah. How to do it? We know how to expand this. Huh? Sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. It's the same thing. Okay, don't worry about it. So sin 60 minus sin 2t because sin minus 2t is sin. Eventually we got this, right? So Laplace of sin 60 minus Laplace of sin 2t. This is your 6 by, in case of sine, this will be the denominator, a square plus 36 minus 2 by a square plus 4. Okay, this is the answer. Yeah. Okay, I've made a mistake. This is 2 sine, this is a into 2 cos p. Okay, this should be sine c plus d by 2 minus sine c, like plus sine c minus d by 2. That is the formula. I made a mistake. So 2 sine 2t cos 4t will be 2 sine sine c plus d by 2, that is 3t plus sine minus by 2, that is minus t sine 3t minus sine t. Yeah, sine 3t minus sine t. So Laplace of Laplace of sine 3t minus Laplace of sine t is equal to 3 by s square plus 1. So a square plus 9 minus 1 by square plus 1. Okay, should be the answer. Next question, there will be question number 6. Question number 6. And the Laplace transform of 4 sine qt. We know what sine 3t we know 3 sine t minus uh, wait 4 sine qt is equal to 3 sine t minus sine 3t. Yeah, so just try to put it 3 Laplace of 3 sine t minus Laplace of sine 3t. You will get the answer. Next question number 7. Laplace of 4 cos h 2t sine 4t. So we know cos h theta, cos hx is equal to e to the power x plus e to the power minus x by 2. Sin x is equal to e to the power ix minus e to the power minus ix by 2y. Okay, this is what it is. So we'll just directly put it. So Laplace of 4 e to the power x 2t plus e to the minus 2t divided by 2 into e to the power I 4it minus e to the minus 4it divided by 2y. Let's take these as constants, these values. So 2, 2, 4, these are cancelled out. So L, 1 by I goes out. L of e to the power 2t plus e to the minus 2t, e to the power 4it minus e to the power minus 4it. So 1 by IL. So this is your 2t plus 4it minus 2t minus 4it plus minus 2t plus 4it minus 2t minus 4it. Yeah, this is what it is. So Laplace of everything, all this we can calculate, right? Laplace of e to the power 2t plus 4it will be how much? That will be Laplace of e to the power t whole into 2 plus 4i, right? This is what is this? What's the value? What is the value of Laplace of e to the power 80? Laplace of e to the power 80 is how much? 1 by s minus a. Wait, 1 by s minus a. So this will be 1 by s minus a, that is 2 plus 4i. Exactly like that, this will be also written 1 by s minus 2 minus 4i. This one will be 1 by s minus 2 plus 4i. It will go on like this. Okay, so just have to calculate these values. Take the LCM and calculate. Alright, I hope you understood this one. Okay, next part is okay, write down Laplace transform, Laplace transform of derivative of f of t, derivative of f of t. Okay, so L of f dash t, L of derivative of t is equal to small s L f of t minus f of 0. This formula you have to remember. Okay, okay. Laplace transform of Laplace transform of derivative of order n. L of f of n t to the power n t is equal to s to the power n L f of t. Okay. Yeah. Okay, write a question then. Question number 7. Question number 7. Question number 7. Given given L of 2 root over of t by pi is equal to 1 by s to the power 3 by 2. So that L of 1 by root over of pi t root over of pi t is equal to 1 by root over of s. Given L of 2 root over t by pi is equal to 1 by s to the power 3 by 2. So that L of 1 by root over of pi t is equal to 1 by root over of s. Okay, how to solve this question? Answer. So f of t is equal to 2 root over of t by pi. Yeah, 2 root over t by pi. So f dash t is how much? F dash t is what? 2 by root pi. What is the derivative of f dash means derivative root t is 1 by 2 root t. So this one is 1 by root over of pi t. Right? 1 by root over pi t. Yeah. And we know if L of f dash t is how much? S f of s, yeah, minus f of 0. Right. L f of s minus f of 0. Yeah. So uh, here what can I write? L of, just give me a minute. Okay, so s f of s minus f of 0. So what can I do here? S into f of s. That means what? S into L of f of t minus f of 0. Right? That means s into 1 by s to the power 3 by 2. Isn't it? Right? Minus 0. Yeah? Because this one is given, no? L of f of t is 1 by s to the 3 by 2. Right? Yeah? F of 0 is 0. How? Because f of t is this one. F of 0 will be, just put value in place of t, that is 0. This one will be 1 by s to the power half. Yeah? L of f dash t. Okay? So answer is negatives. This is answer. Okay. Next formula write down. Laplace transform of integral of f of t. So Laplace of 0 to t f of t dt is equal to 1 by s f of s. Next formula, Laplace of t to the power n f of t is equal to minus 1 to the power n. This formula comes a lot, and this is also used a lot in other things like quantum mechanics and all. So this one remember, t to the power n f of t is equal to minus 1 to the power n dn by dsn f of s. It's very important, this one. Okay. Next formula, L of t to infinity e to the minus x by x dx is equal to log s plus 1 by s. Yeah. Now if you calculate Laplace of t square cos 80, how to do it? Minus 1 to the power 2. This comes in t to the power n f of t minus 1 to the power n d by dn by dsn of left. Right? So minus 1 square d square by d is a square Laplace of cos 80, which is what? So 1 into d square by d square. Laplace of cos 80 is how much? S by s square plus a square. So you just have to take the double derivative of it. So s square a square into, this is the first derivative, so I can also write opposite ds 2s minus 2s whole into s, okay, s square plus a square whole square. So this gives me dy ds of 2s cube plus 2s a square minus 2s square divided by s square plus a square whole square. Okay, so d by ds of, again you have to do the derivative, 2a square comes out s by a square plus a square whole square. Okay, yeah. So you have to do. This is what it is. Okay. Another one is Laplace transform unit function. Laplace transform of the unit function. Unit function. That is, for example, the unit function u of t minus a is equal to 0 when t is less than a, 1 when t is very greater than a. So Laplace of u t minus a is equal to e to the 1 minus as by s. Okay. Yeah. So some of the theories of Laplace transform. We'll be solving more numericals in the upcoming class. All right. Yeah. Okay then. Thank you for watching. That's it for today. Thank you very much.